Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got a couple of classics this week, and today I'm going to be shave testing a really nice, delicate classic. With the original box. The razor itself has seen quite a bit of use. The gold etching has faded somewhat. It's got the original case. So here we have the original case, a bit tatty on the end here, but it still does its job. And we've got a nice classic Gotter. 3-pin design, so it's quite sturdy, and the pivot is still quite stiff, still quite tight. It'll stay open on its own. And I've got a couple of these in my shop at the moment. They're a really nice classic razor. You'll probably notice in this there, you can see that the gold etching along the blade has faded over time in use. But these are a really good classic razor, everyday sort of razor, no frills. Smooth as butter. And when I was starting to reset the bevel, it responded really well, almost straight away on the 1000 grit stone. And it displaced the water right about through to the Thuringian stone. So quite easy really. Taken off 4 days growth there without any stress. The other Gotter I've got in my shop is a little bit deeper, about 3mm deeper, but that one still retains the gold etching where this one's faded. But as you can see, it still does the job. Still does the job perfectly well. Bit of an awkward angle there. I'll come at it from the other way. There we go. Got the bugger. I'll leave me go to this time. Just a little bit pushed for time today, from one thing and another. There we go. That's the shape test over with for this little German Gotter. Really nice steel. Nice vintage patina. And it shades really smooth. Very nice shape indeed. Very comfortable. There we go. So I'll be shade testing another classic get on later on this week. Alright, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you on Friday or Saturday anyway, one of the two. Thanks very much for watching, catch up with you later, bye.